Hi everyone, this is Jerry. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a fun and effective way to learn Mandarin, watching Chinese movies. Movies aren't just for entertainment, they are a great way to immerse yourself in real-life conversation, cultural values, and authentic expressions. If you are looking for an enjoyable way to improve your listening, pick up new vocabularies, and get a glimpse into Chinese culture, this is the perfect method for you. So here's what we'll cover today. First, we will talk about why watching movie is such a powerful tool for learning Mandarin. Second, I will give you tips for learning effectively while watching movies. Third, I will give you a list of Chinese movies for different learning levels. So let's begin. Real-life language for practical use. Movies expose you to how Mandarin is actually spoken in real life. You will hear common phrases like 你没事吧? Are you okay? Or 真的假的? Really? Which are super handy for everyday conversation.
你没事吧?
真的假的呀?
You will also hear expression and slang such as 你太扯了, you are exaggerating, or 吃瓜群众, bystander who love gossip, to help you sound more natural.
是不是觉得我说的太夸张了?
Second, listening practice at natural speed. In real conversation, native speakers don't slow down. Movies help you adjust to natural rhythm and tones. For example, in emotional scenes, you will notice how the tones in 我说了算 literally means I call the shots shifts from assertiveness or frustration. Linking sounds. Words often merge in natural speech. For instance, 去哪里? Where are you going? Might sounds like 去哪儿? Where the tones flow seamlessly.
你说去哪儿就去哪儿。
Third, cultural and situational context. Movies are a window into Chinese value and everyday life. Family dramas show how much Chinese people value family relationships, emphasizing the importance of respecting elders and maintaining strong bonds. Romantic comedies explore marriage and love in China. While movies often exaggerate or add fantastical elements, they still reflect the traditional values like commitments and family approval. Urban dramas highlight workplace ethic and social interactions in modern Chinese society. This might not be entirely realistic or practical in real life, but they still can provide you with a glimpse into the cultural concept. 4. Fun and motivation to keep learning. Learning through movies doesn't feel like studying, it's just fun. You will be hooked on the story, and before you know it, you will be picking up new words and phrases. Plus, rewatching your favorite scenes makes practice both productive and enjoyable. First, choose the right movie. Pick movies that match your language level and focus on modern setting to ensure that language is practical for everyday conversation. Avoid films with heavily dialects or historical jargon if you are just starting out.
定是不学无术之人，不学无术。
Second, use subtitles wisely. Start with dual subtitles, English and Chinese. This helps you connect spoken with their meaning and characters. Then, move to Chinese-only subtitles. This can improve your reading skills while reinforce listening comprehension. Lastly, turn off subtitles gradually, challenging yourself to rely solely on listening once you feel confident. Third, repeat and shadow key scenes. Rewind and replay tricky parts to practice listening and pick up details you missed.
你要开心，你要幸福，你要开心，你要幸福。
Shadowing. Repeat lines with actors to mimic pronunciation, tones, and rhythm. Fourth, take notes. Write down new vocabularies and group phrases by themes like emotions or greetings. Use apps like Clico to look up definition and save words for review. Beginner levels. 引入尘烟 Return to Dust. This heartfelt story about rural life in modern China is perfect for beginners due to its simple and slow-paced dialogue. The movie focuses on everyday interaction and practical language, making it easy to follow and highly relatable. Its touching narrative provides an immersive experience into Chinese culture and the lives of ordinary people. Intermediate level, 消失的她 Lost in the Stars. This 2024 thriller has engaging dialogue which includes conversational and emotional exchange, perfect for intermediate learners. The language is modern and keeps you hooked while practicing listening comprehension. Advanced level, 孤注一掷 No More Bets. A thought-provoking 2024 film about online scams It combines technical vocabulary with natural speech in high-pressure scenarios. Advanced learner will enjoy the mix of professional jargon and emotional intensity. Conclusion. Learning Mandarin through movies is not just fun, but incredibly effective. With the right film and some active learning techniques, you will improve your listening, vocabulary, and cultural understanding in no time. What's your favorite Chinese movie? Or is there one you'd like to watch after this video? Let me know in the comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Mandarin learning tips. I see you in next video. Bye!